Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use promo code on Daraz. So the first step you need to do is to search for Daraz and open Daraz. Once you open, you simply need to sign up or log in into your account. So I'm going to log in into my account. So here you need to add your email and here you need to add your password. So let me log in. So once you log in and go on to the Daraz, and let's suppose I want to purchase any mobile. So like this mobile, okay. And once you select it, here you can see different options. You simply need to click on buy now. Okay, once you are on the buy now page, here you can see promotions, enter store and Daraz code. So here you need to add the promo code if you have, and then you need to click on apply, and then the promo code will be applied on to the final amount. So this is the process how you can use promo code on Daraz. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.